Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm going to record a video. Actually, I would like to tell you all, I have started YouTube channel of 2021.
Okay.
Oh, but I closed that.
How many subscribers you have?
Actually, right now I have only 100 because I closed that.
Okay.
I started and I stopped making content because I thought that there is no any scope in that.
It's a waste of time.
But again, I'm going to start. It's a good moment for me with you all. Thank you
Yes.
so much for supporting me.
Yeah, thank you.
Then here we are going to play a game which is a
First we
truth
have to
and dare.
introduce all our
Yeah, we will introduce. But let me tell the game is from now we have to speak in only English.
Okay.
No any other language.
Yes.
Hindi, English, Marathi, whatever is that. We have to speak in only English. Okay. Here is the game which we are gonna play.
Yeah.
The name of game is truth and dare.
Yeah.
The problem is alternate choice you have.
Okay.
First of all, you have to choose truth and then you have to take dare. Okay. Now everybody will introduce themselves. Then tell me, sir, who are you and where are you from?
Actually, my name is MD Arshad, and I am from Northeast Assam. Yeah.
And good evening everyone. My name is Manjit Kumar and I am from Bihar. Okay. Okay, I would like to myself actually. So I am Param from Bihar.
मोबाइल पे नहीं देखना है.
That's think casually.
Thank you, my all friends. My name is Joaquim Akhtar. I am from Jharkhand.
Okay, good evening everyone. Yeah, good evening everyone. My name is Dipanjan and I am from West Bengal.
Thank you so much, guys. I am Jashpal. I am from Jammu and Kashmir.
The heaven of the earth. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna play now the game. Let's see who wins first. Okay, who is going to touch it? Param will touch it. Come. Param will touch it. Just see a spin. Just touch. Yeah, a spin. Yeah. Let's see whose turn is coming. Oh, Manjit. This is Manjit. What will you take? Truth or dare? Manjit, if you are going to take truth, we all going to ask you two questions. We will ask. We can ask anybody can ask you two questions. Okay, and you have to tell us truth. Okay, not false. Truth. Next time you have to take dare. Okay. Oh, okay. Then if you wanna ask something, ask.
I want to ask you some things, bro. Tell me about your past. Which moment you have enjoyed? Which moment you have enjoyed a lot?
Have you understood, God?
Yeah, I know.
Let's move on.
Then I was a transgender, so I'm enjoying fully. And I will go to I went to a school, but I don't attend the class. And only outside walking and grooming with my friend. Yeah, it's real. I think then I will.
There's a truth.
Yeah.
That's great. It was, of course, one more question.
Yeah. How many girlfriends do you have?
Okay, my God. Yeah, you have
Yes, you have to tell only
Okay.
truth.
You are asking about right now or in past?
Yes, right now.
Right now.
And you can also tell me about past.
How many girlfriends you had?
You had
Okay.
and you have.
Yeah.
So it's a true. It's a lie. Telling a lie. It's true. It's okay. It's okay. I'm firstly I am feeling uncomfortable. Because you start the camera and in front of a lot of people who are asking about my.
Don't think about
Yeah, they know.
Don't think about
So right now I'm single. I'm really. But I had a lot of. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Not or many. It's many.
How many pieces of girlfriends you have?
So,
Which type of?
I'm
Don't talk
I'm
about
telling truth. So that's I had 10 around.
10?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's only my 10th and graduation. Both between.
You are very cheatable person.
Yeah.
No, bro.
He made
Bro,
within 5 years.
bro, I'm doesn't want to make girlfriend, but he is again propose me to I. It's not my fault. It's
They are
her fault.
proposed. They are proposed.
They proposed him. Yeah, that's fantastic. Now next, you pin it.
Okay.
Look at whose turn is next. Oh my God! Okay, dear. At the first, I'm not going to take dear. Okay, there is none.
Tell me, bro, what is your goal in your life?
If you wanna know about my goal, then it is being a teacher is my goal.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because from my childhood, I have thought that I have to be a teacher. That's all.
Okay.
My goal is being teacher.
Thank you. I have one question. Do you have girlfriend, brother?
Everybody want to ask.
Please, because my friend is very handsome, na?
Everybody can ask.
Yes. And he has a lot knowledge about English and a lot.
He have also.
He has. Yes, he has. Please tell me.
You want to know about my knowledge? Knowledge.
girlfriend?
Actually, in past time, I'm telling you truth. Okay, in past time, I had a girlfriend, but right now, actually, I do not have time to give my girlfriend, so I don't have girlfriends. Only one in my 10th class. There is no any other else. Okay. Don't ask. Only two questions. Only two questions.
Only one question actually.
Spin. Asad. Who wanna ask?
Your turn.
Okay, first take truth or dare.
लेकिन आप
Of course, any question. It depends on him. If he wanna say
Any question. Any question.
You know about me, brother.
He knows about
I already share with him.
Okay.
Okay,
You ask.
Don't
Then
ask
we-
that type
today,
question, bro.
No. Today we will also know.
Yes. Come on.
Yeah.
You can ask.
Yes. Come closer, boys. Come closer.
So I want to
Come more
ask same
closer, come
question
more
actually. I want to ask him same question actually. How many girlfriend do you had?
Okay, brother. Actually, I had 8 girlfriends.
8 girls.
But right now I am single. I've not.
That's why you are single.
Yeah.
Now.
Because
Just
that age,
just
you are-
3, just 2 days.
Lots of experience.
Just 3.
Cheated to girl.
No. Actually, just 3 days. 3 days ago, just 3 days ago, I have broke my last
You have
girlfriend.
blocked.
Yeah, last girlfriend from every all our social media site. Yeah.
Any other question, boys? Yes. He wants to
Yeah. I'm not asking. Suppose you will get married.
Yeah.
After that you make girlfriends. Get married after get yeah.
After getting married, you will be interested to make any other girlfriend.
Actually, after I will get married, my wife will my girlfriend. Well, she will my everything. She is my wife and she is my girlfriend. Everything she will.
Bobby, if you are watching this video,
Just
note this point.
and say everyone subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel. And now you spin it. And let's see whose turn it is. It's going to be excited. Waki, Paramir. Please take dear. From dear. 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 Dear he has taken, and now we have to say, Param, you have to do, dear, we have to do only one thing. Okay. Anybody wants to say something to tell?
Can you dance?
It means you have to sing and he will dance. Okay, you sing and he will dance.
No, Bhojpuri girl? Yeah. What Bhojpuri?
Yeah. No. It doesn't need. It doesn't need.
I want to tell something.
What do you want to do?
Actually, I want to tell you everyone. So I'm not able to dance actually.
Why?
So
You can
So-
sing. You can, there is
can sing. Okay, I can sing.
Sing is not there. Yeah.
I can sing.
not there, bro.
But
Give me-
I can.
I'm giving
I
you
can
a
sing.
no,
but I
no,
can't
it's not
dance.
right.
So
Okay. You have taken dare. First of all, come closer to him, and what you have to do is just look at your arounds.
there's nobody to.
You go.
That was
Can you see these three people? The boys.
want to talk or
You go and take selfie with them.
of course.
Yeah, do it. Go. Hey boys, look at. Oh, no, don't. That.
Don't touch the.
Let it be there. Let it be there. Take another phone. It is easy to do, but I wanted to give some difficult thing.
You can go
you,
without shoes.
you go and do faster, yeah. We are taking so much time. Look at guys. He is going to do. Bro. So. As we can see that Param has gone to take selfie there. Let's see what happened. Yeah, he's greeting them to take the selfie. It's being excited moment. Hey boy, don't take too much time. Yeah, he has made them. Yes, you can take selfie, and he's taking. Yeah, guys, look at his confidence level is on peak. Yeah, come on, guys, come to. Continue now. Let's see.
Come first.
The video is going on, guys. If you are being excited, please subscribe the channel. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please subscribe the channel.
Yeah. Is it fine now? Yeah. Show us the photo and show in the camera.
Show in the camera.
Show in the camera. Show in the camera. Show in the photo. Yes. Yeah, all are coming. Yes, taken the picture as we can see. It was great work. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you guys. Yes, please. I can do it on.
It has come the turn of Mr. Yes Kumar, and he has taken a dare, and he is going to do a dare thing, which we're gonna say that go with those people. Now we have to change the situation, okay? And will you able to do that?
Yes.
Take selfie with them.
Yeah.
Go and do it. And first of all, you have to shake hand with these two boys.
two boys.
Okay?
They are going to outside.
No, they are not going.
We can't stop if I stop.
No. You don't have to pressurize them. You don't have to pressurize them.
There is two another.
No. Go to the security guard. It's fine to do with him. He's sitting alone, and I'm thinking that he's thinking. We need to go with him. Just go with this. Have it. No, you have it. Go and talk. Whatever you will talk, it will record here. Param, go. Param.
Come on, bro. Come on. नमस्ते बेटा, क्या हाल है आपका? सर एक्चुअली खेल रहे थे, तो वहां पे मेरा नंबर आया कि मेरे को वहां से लड़कों ने बताया कि जाके आपको आपके साथ बात करनी है, फोटो लेके जाना है और वहां दिखाना है। तो क्या आप बात कर सकते हैं मेरे साथ?
बात तो करिए।
हाँ, तो you can see guys, this is I am here to talk with अंकल जी। क्या नाम है आपका अंकल जी?
राम प्रसाद जी।
राम प्रसाद। So thank you so much guys. Now I am going to take selfie with अंकल जी। Thank you so much अंकल जी।
Who comes next? Just spin it. Spin it. His turn. Okay, Mr. Bakim. Manjeet, you have to take now dare, okay? Choose dare. Choose dare. There is no any choices with you. You have to take. No. He will do with his hand, fingers. Okay. You wanna? Yeah. Yes.
You wanna give
Some activities which can he.
You have to dance on Bhojpuri song.
Yeah. Say some difficult things.
It's difficult kind of. It's simple.
Simple. Then dance behind us.
Can you
Dance behind us.
No problem.
Only 1 minute.
without song?
Ajay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. No. I am playing the song.
Which song you
I'm just playing any of the song which is the song name is
Bhojpuri?
yeah Bhojpuri. Just stand up first here behind us. Now, hook Rajaji is fine. No, let him dance there. Chal, dance. No. Raise up, Yes. Yes, I've danced. Don't give the pauses. Just dance. Dance. 30 seconds. 30 अरे कॉल आ गया. Okay. You can sit now. It was fantastic. You did, bro. Salute.
Okay.
Please go. Boys, don't say me to dance. I am not going to dance.
Okay.
Dipanjan. Again dare. What do you want to choose? Dare or truth?
He already selected.
He has selected. It is his
Now
choice.
one time already have the.
Then what do you want? Truth.
There again.
Truth. Okay.
Bro, tell me what's the name of your first girlfriend
Everyone is covering.
and define herself in 2 words only. Only 2 words.
Only 2 words.
No 2 words.
Actually,
Two words. Sentences.
define herself only 2 words.
Oh, define her in 2 words.
Actually, I would like to tell you guys, it's very difficult to say actually.
Oh, in 2 words.
It's difficult to say actually. Everyone knows in my classmates, so what's the girlfriend is the name. But I am not able to say actually. I can't say.
But you dare.
But you all are friends.
Oh, I know. But
Okay.
Even we are not going to
Keep the
upload
mic.
this
Okay. Just, you have to.
Now, Aswik. It is not captured by this mic.
Yeah.
Aswik.
What's your girlfriend name?
First girlfriend.
Yes.
The three.
Preeti. No.
Priya. Priyanka. No.
Param.
Pooja. Payal. Preeti.
Preeti. No. Thank you so much. Preeti. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, Preeti.
Your Ashik is there. No.
And press the bell icon. Say guys, like this. Press the bell icon.
Thank you so much.
A spin.
And Babiji, don't forget to invite us.
Manjeet. What is?
Yeah.
What can I do? It is computer.
Okay.
Dear truth. Okay, Manjeet. Ask. You know about girlfriend. We have already
Yes, sir.
asked you about girlfriend.
Do you?
Something deep.
Have you kissed him?
No.
Then kiss him. Yeah, he did well. There is no any discrimination.
Too much stuff,
Then why did you choose dear? I will choose dear.
Yeah, don't worry.
But it was good, na?
You one choice there.
Okay, you tell me that how many types of fear you were feeling at that time you went to approach.
I feel fear. It's first time to do this. Maybe his parents, his parents getting angry. So what will we do? So yeah, of course.
Actually, if you wanna approach someone in that cases, you can do one thing that sir, this type of game we are playing, and the person are sitting there. They told me that please go and do this. You can approach like this. Okay.
Firstly, condition without.
Okay, next.
Next.
Let me spin. It's maybe it's
Not
turn
JK.
of
Dipanjan. Dipanjan here we want. For why Dipanjan is not coming here? We want Dipanjan.
Let him. Let him speak.
Both are not.
First of all, what are you taking?
Truth or dare.
Look at the whatever it is there.
Go and now you go and
Auntie and
ask to auntie how are you and where are you from.
And
Okay.
touch their feet.
Touch their feet.
Okay.
Okay,
no
give
problem.
the mic you can give.
Okay.
Okay, you keep
No.
it.
You take it.
You go.
Go.
You keep it with your commentary that how is doing.
Yes, can say he is going to touch her feet now. We can say. Let's see her expression. So, as you can see, he has gotten theirs. So, he's going to touch auntie's feet now. Yeah, really. It is. Bro, it is going long. Just keep it. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. So the background.
As you can see, yeah, thank you. No, he is going to take selfie. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, really, he's a crazy bro, really.
What do you think about Dipanjan actually? What do you think about? Yeah, what do you think about Dipanjan?
Actually, I will say only one thing. He's a really confident guy and personality and communication guy. As we can see that how he is communicating with the people. It's a salute for him.
Confidence.
Convince. And what do you think about?
Actually, I think he is the a brave person also. Yeah, good confidence also, and
He has a different confidence.
different confidence.
Went there and
and,
convincing them. It is difficult.
Can you keep silent? 1 minute.
Okay.
Holding time.
Actually, you tell me I'm taking there and I'm going to
कितना
approach
फोटो ले
these
रहा है
guys.
ये काशिफबाग के वजह से इतना खड़ा रहा है उसको
भाई उसके साथ जाना पकड़ के साथ जाना पड़ेगा। हमको भेजो यार साला फोटो लेके आ जाएगा।
They are from West Bengal. Now, come closer first. Come closer. Is it on? Is it on? Now tell me how was the experience and
It was. Let's start, bro. Time. Have you communicated your with language? No. Why? I have last. In last, I have communicated
with English?
because no.
Little bit.
Okay, you tell me that how was the experience you did and how
I didn't.
did you approach them? And I thought that, and we were watching that you were convincing them for doing this activity.
Not like that actually.
What was
Auntie,
going there?
auntie was not understanding my language, Hindi language, because she is from West Bengal. So
Oh,
that's why his son is telling that.
speaking in Bengal.
home state.
After that, I told na
Oh,
ki
I'm also from Bengal.
yes, I have come here for
Oh my
fitting your
video.
feet.
Then what she said?
Yeah, no problem. You can. You are like my son.
Okay, was that good? No?
Yeah,
Yes, great
fantastic.
experience.
Yeah, definitely.
And now you can spin this.
Spin this. Look at who's this chance. Wakin, the sire. What will you take? No, truth you have taken. You have taken. You have to take there. No, not first.
No, first time, brother.
Is it his first? Yes. Okay. Move it.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Give me.
What he has taken? True.
Bro, tell me what's her name?
What is your girlfriend name?
Yeah.
Please, brother, giving for me because I don't share my girlfriend name.
Okay. You just tell me one thing. I'm not going to tell anybody that your girlfriend's name. You actually he was telling in the Galtok Institute that my girlfriend broke up with me and then I come here to learn English so that I can show her that I know how to speak English and all. Then tell me, it is real or false?
Real, brother.
It is real.
Real, brother. It is real.
Then spin it. Why she left you? Why she broke up with you?
Oh, please give me. Actually, sometime we were going to park, and conversation. So she was taking talking to English language. So I don't have English language, or she has a lot knowledge English.
Then you just need to call her.
She said me, you brother. She said me, कि you don't have knowledge, don't have skill. That's why my girlfriend left me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You can feel his pain. Internally, he is broken.
Last spin. Okay.
We have to go after that. Oh my God! This is, yeah, I'm going to
Choose the truth. It's time to choose dear.
wait, bro. Please don't give me anything difficult.
Bro,
I'm too shy guy.
who asked?
Just think.
Yeah, I'm so shy guy. Yeah.
Just think different, brother.
No.
Thinking different.
Just think. Too much different, bro.
Yeah, actually.
Dance.
Dance. Okay.
Dance.
No, it's night time. I can dance.
No,
You go this couple.
They're coming couple, no?
Yeah, couple. And
Couple?
talk anywhere, anything. Yeah, couple. He's couple.
Anything to talk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Just 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
30 seconds. You have to talk.
Especially with girl.
Yeah.
No. It is difficult.
It's not difficult. If you ask the boy, they will allow you. Just you have to say you are both. Hurry up. You can approach by.
But one thing you have to do, you have to stay here.
No, the cameraman. No. I'm telling you.
Give me a mobile phone.
What have
So-
you to do? What you have to do? Just you have to ask you both are couples or not.
No. I'm not going to ask this personal
You
question.
can ask anything.
These are the personal question. How can I ask?
Go fast, yeah. Go.
Arey,
Go fast.
they are going. Just say something else.
You can go her. You know.
Okay, I'm going with them. I have to talk now. They are going, yeah. How will I talk to them? And they are going in private side. How?
Yeah.
How we can go to?
We are going to
Actually, my brother, I wanted to go with them to meet them, but as you can see that they are in private space. How can I go to disturb them? So I apologize for this. They are sitting there. Look at bro, they are sitting.
So say this. I can choose another.
Yeah, definitely you can give me some other activities which can I do. So give me.
You can go.
What should I do?
Whatever you want to do. Just 30 seconds. You
30
have 30 seconds and speak with them. Yes, just go. Namaste and say namaste. Bhaiya, you can say that. Where are you going? You can't go there, no. You can't.
भैया एक्चुअली हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी कर रहे तो उसमें आपसे बात करनी है हमें, तो बस 30 सेकंड बात कर सकते हैं? बस आपसे बात करनी है। ओके, कोई नहीं भैया, थैंक यू। As you can see that his person was not interested because he said me that no भैया, no, I can't talk because I don't know why he is not ready to talk. I am going to talk with Akin. You can see Akin, and you can see Mr. Yes, and the cameraman, and here we are, guys. As you can see that we all are here. Just hold it there and we will finish that.